this for a minute. Finally got my ignition coils and spark plugs in. I'm on the way to install them right now. It's a 5 Series behind me that wanted to smoke earlier. I don't know if he's still trying to have no more fun. I'm about to get these coils up out of here. New coils and plugs. Tuesday night. Got the plugs underneath. Got new spark plugs, old coils, new coils. Oh. .03. Old plugs. Will was just telling me that you have to check the gap on all of the new plugs before you put them in to make sure that they're gapped the same way before they gap correctly. Otherwise, you'll have misfires. I didn't even know that, but yeah. So we got the new coils installed with the new plugs. I'm just putting all the stuff back on. Woo. Let's see how it feels. All right, guys, we're in the F30. Got new ignition coils and spark plugs installed. Service light, everything is off, everything we're good. New oil, everything's great. About to see how it feels with just a couple pulls in comfort. Oh, I definitely can feel the difference. It's not even as far as the power yet. I mean, I'm still sitting in comfort, but it feels like it's pulling more smoother, like all the engine, everything is firing smoothly. Oh yeah, it's very smooth. It feels almost like a new car. Okay. It literally feels like a new car. I mean, I'm only at 50,000 miles right now. I bought the car at 35. So I've driven it like 15,000 miles in about a year and some months. I drive it a lot, honestly. This is my daily. And it feels good with the new coils and everything. Holy shit. It's like it's making my intake pull harder and blow harder too. And this is kind of wild. But we're finna get on the road and see how it feels. Maybe go to sport one time. I need to get some gas. Right now, I'm currently only running an intake. No tune or anything like that. I do plan on getting a charge pipe and going stage 1 here shortly. Only reason I was waiting on it is because I wanted to get my brakes handled first, because my brake pads are really bad. I didn't feel like I was comfortable handling boost and a lot more power with my brakes being how they were. The way we cut up on the roads and on the highways, it gets pretty crazy, and I need to be able to brake at speeds of like 130 and higher. So, but y'all didn't hear that, and that doesn't happen in America. That happens in Mexico. But anyways, yeah. So right now, currently only running an engine intake. About to get a VRSF charge pipe and go stage 1 here shortly after I do my brakes. And I also want to get my headlights, because I don't like my headlights. I still have the halogen ones. I just put LED bulbs in there, but I want to get actual halo headlights. I'm about to get some probably soon off of some site, eBay or this one site. I saw some nice ones. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, those are the plans for the rest of the car. But let me get some pulls in the F30 with the new ignition coils and spark plugs. Let's do it. I just put the car in sport, just so I can feel what it's gonna feel like. I'm throwing it in the sport gearbox. Yeah, it's pulling nicely. It's pulling nicely. Oh yeah, it's so smooth. Yo, this is smooth. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think my car had the coils or plugs changed up to this point at 50,000 miles. This is my first time changing them. This definitely is actually the first time changing them. And this feels insane. feels very smooth. I'm not gonna lie. I like the way this feels after the new coils and plugs. Holy shit. I'm not even stage 1 yet. I don't even have a charge pipe. I'm not gonna lie. The intake definitely gives you a little bit of boost. Me and my boy talked about that the other day. It's not a lot, but it gives you a little bit of boost. I'm not gonna lie. You pull a little bit harder than regular cars. Let's go back. And then we'll head to the cribbo, but just want to get a couple more in. 20 miles an hour. F30 is in great condition, baby. This shit feels great. Man, I love this. Throw it back in comfort now. Throw it back in the regular gearbox. I'm not gonna lie, when you're in sport in the F30 and you're in the manual gearbox, say you're doing like a second gear pull, it'll take you pretty up in the RPMs. Like you'll redline. You'll get up to like 7,000. And then it'll shift you by itself, but I normally shift right at 7,000. After I do an in-gear pull like that, even though I know that's probably not the best for your car, but I have a young car, it's maintained well. But yeah, gang, that's the plans that I told y'all earlier that I'm about to do with the F30. The wrap is coming soon. The wrap is coming very soon. Well, not very soon, but in a couple months after I do the side skirts and the headlight, then I'll be wrapping it up. Gotta get gas. But yeah, gang, appreciate y'all for tapping in. You already know, the channel's grown. About to be at 400 subscribers. I really can't believe it. It's pretty lit. I appreciate y'all, guys. I really, really appreciate everybody that's tapping in, because the F30 is going to be super hard in a little bit. We might not get that much love now. We unpainted. We not, you know, we don't have all the bow ties. We're not making flames yet, but very soon, I will be making all of it. Trust me, gang. Just stick with me. Stick with me for the road, for the journey of the F30, and you already know. I appreciate y'all tapping into this video, gang. You already know the vibes, man. F30 gonna be wrapped soon. No kizzy. No kizzy, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, gang. You already know how we rock it.
Yeah, guess we fucked the game up. They gon' say we changed up. We was trying to maintain. Y'all stay in the same lane. I'm just gonna swerve right around. Swerve right around.